This is a small section of a coordinate plane. A coordinate plane has a horizontal axis, which is often referred to as the x-axis, and a vertical axis, known as the y-axis. You will need to use both the horizontal axis and the vertical axis in order to plot points on the coordinate plane. Any point on a coordinate plane can be represented by two numbers. We refer to the first number as the x variable, because it lets us know how far along the x-axis the point is located. The second number in the point is called the y variable. It lets us know how far along the y-axis the point is located. When plotting points on a coordinate plane, always begin at the origin. The origin is located here. This point is also known as 0, 0. Let's plot a point on the coordinate plane. For this example, let's plot the point 5, 3. Remember, the first number listed tells us how far along the x-axis the point is located. Start at the origin. Now, move to the right along the x-axis a total of 5 spaces. The second number in the point represents how far along the y-axis to move. Start where you left off on the x-axis and move 3 spaces up along the y-axis. This is the spot on the coordinate plane that matches the numbers in our point. Mark this spot with a dot. When plotting points on a coordinate plane, remember to move right along the x-axis, and then move up along the y-axis.